Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna take a ride and explore the top 10 most popular cars in the world. Ever wondered what kind of cars people love to drive the most? Buckle up because we are about to find out. We will see everything from zippy little cars to giant trucks. So there is something for everyone. Let's get started. Number 10. The Toyota Corolla. Our first stop is Japan. The Toyota Corolla is kind of like the king of everyday cars. Imagine a reliable car that's great on gas, easy to drive, and comes in a bunch of styles. That's the Corolla. It's been around for a super long time, and people all over the world trust it to get them where they need to go. Whether you are driving to work, school, or the grocery store, the Corolla is a perfect choice. Number 9. The Toyota Camry. Sticking with Toyota for a second, we have the Camry. This car is like the Corolla's bigger brother. Imagine a comfy car with a little more space inside, perfect for families or road trips. The Camry is still known for being reliable and easy to drive, but it also has some extra features like a bigger trunk and a smoother ride. So if you need a car that's both practical and comfortable, the Camry might be your pick. Number 8. The Honda CR-V. Okay, let's switch gears a little. The Honda CR-V is a type of car called a crossover SUV, which is kind of a mix between a car and truck. Imagine a car that's a bit taller and has more space inside, but still drives smoothly and gets decent gas mileage. The CR-V is perfect for people who want a car with some extra cargo space for things like groceries, sports equipment, or even a furry friend. Number 7. The Toyota RAV4. Another popular crossover SUV is the Toyota RAV4. Think of it as the CR-V neighbor. Both these cars are great choices, and it really comes down to personal preference. The RAV might be a good option if you are looking for something with a bit more power or off-road capability. No matter which one you choose, you are getting a reliable and versatile car that's perfect for everyday adventures. Number 6. The Ford F-Series. Now we are getting to the big boys. The Ford F-Series is a line of pickup trucks that are super popular in North America. Imagine a giant powerful truck that can now trailers, haul heavy loads, and handle tough terrain. These trucks are popular with people who work in construction, farming, or other jobs that require a lot of muscle. But they are also popular with people who just love the feeling of driving a big. Number 5. The Hyundai Tucson. Back to the world of crossover SUV, the Hyundai Tucson is another great option, especially if you are looking for a good value for your money. Imagine a car that's packed with features and technology, but still has an affordable price tag. The Tucson is stylish, comfortable, and gets decent gas mileage. It's a great choice for young families, couples, or anyone who wants a fun and practical car. Number 3. The Chevrolet Silverado. Another popular pickup truck is the Chevrolet Silverado. Just like the Ford F-Series, it's a powerful truck that's built for tough jobs. Imagine a truck that can handle anything you throw at it, from hauling cargo to off-roading adventures. The Silverado is also known for being comfortable and having a lot of features on the inside. So if you need a truck that's both tough and luxurious, the Silverado might be the perfect fit. Number 3. The Tesla Model 3. Let's take a turn for the future. The Tesla Model 3 is an electric car, which means it runs on electricity instead of gasoline. Imagine a car that's super quiet, smooth to drive, and does not produce any emissions. The Model 3 is also packed with technology like a giant touchscreen and self-driving features. Electric cars are becoming more and more popular, and the Model 3 is a great choice for anyone who wants a stylish and eco-friendly ride. Number 2. The Volkswagen Polo. Now let's head to Europe. The Volkswagen Polo is a teeny but mighty car that's perfect for navigating busy city streets. Imagine a car that's super easy to park, gets incredible gas mileage, and is still comfortable for a few passengers. The Polo is a popular choice for young drivers, city dwellers, or anyone who wants a practical and fun car without breaking the bank. Number 1. The Nissan Selfie. Rounding out our list is the Nissan Selfie, another popular choice in many parts of the world. Imagine a car that's spacious, comfortable, and reliable, perfect for families or long road trip. The Selfie might not be the flashiest car on the list, but it offers great value for the price. It's known for its smooth ride, good fuel economy, and a long list of standard features. We hope you enjoyed this ride around the world of popular cars. If you have a favorite car that we did not mention, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We will see you next time. Allah Hafiz.